Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage pages and spreads in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is make sure that when you are creating a new document, you come down here under document settings and you make sure multi-page is actually toggled on. And if you also have facing pages toggled on, then you can actually have spreads. Then you go ahead and create your document after picking the dimensions, and after that, you need to open the Pages panel. The way you do that, you come here at the bottom, you click on Toggle Pages Panel, and as you can see, this panel opens up and you can go ahead and place it anywhere on your screen. And if you don't see this option, that is because you need to come here, the top, click here on Window, hover over Layout, and make sure Pages is actually toggled on. As you can see, I have mine toggled on. And then after that, you can go ahead and create your pages. So if I want, I can go ahead and add more pages right here. Choose where I want to add them, whether I want to make the pages flow, or if I want to extend the spread, or just create a new spread entirely. You can just go ahead and click here on OK. And as you can see right here, we have a spread that was created. So I can select my pages right here, and I can go ahead and also add master pages. And you can pick the layout, whether you want it to be a page or a spread as well, and you pick the number of pages right here in page count as well. So as you can see right here, I have this panel, and you can easily go ahead and move pages as well. You can reorder them right here. So if I want this to come here, I just drag it, and now you see this horizontal line that shows where it will be placed, this blue line indicator. Now if I come down here, as you can see, there is my image. And it's really that easy. That is how to manage pages and spreads in Affinity Studio.